Hey buddy, Sam back once again. Not heard me for a while. Anyway, we're here to look at this bad boy. It's the XGIMI, I think I'm saying that correct, and it is the MoGo 2 Pro 1080p smart projector, as you can see just about there. So we're going to have a quick look inside the box, see what we get, and we'll go from there, shall we? First of all, let's just have a quick look around it. So as you can see here, it says you get two 8-watt speakers. It uses Type-C to actually plug it in, and it's got the uninterrupted image correction. On the back of it, not much apart from Android TV. That's very important. It's got Dolby Audio, HDMI, obviously you expect kind of stuff like that nowadays. This interested me though. So we've obviously got the Google Play Store, which is pretty cool. We've got OK Google, Chromecast, that's the big selling point. Chromecast built in, which means you can just cast to this from your phone like that. Sounds pretty cool, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it with my little meat cleaver, as you can see here. Let's just go to the top. Let's cut her open, shall we? Hey, there we go. Hopefully, plastic straight off. I've got to admit, I do miss unboxing products. Alright, so let's get back to the top of it, because it's got another last little security tag here. There we go, right. So in we go. What we're presented right at the top. We're presented with Netflix installation guides. So have questions, etc. How to install the Netflix app. So pretty cool, we'll put that to the side. I think there's a bit of foam here. I can get it out. Ugh. He says, hey up, there it is, stuck with it. So there is the actual projector, which we'll put to the side. We'll have a quick look inside the box. What else do we get? I think that's pretty much going to be about it, this little box here. It is. So, what we'll do is we'll put the foam off down there, and we'll come to this box. So, dun dun dun. What do we get? Probably just going to be our Type-C cable. A charger, should I say? Charger, plug, there we go. That's a bit of a beefy plug, isn't it? Look at the size of that. So it's just a standard Type-C plug, just to obviously plug it into the wall. We get a little silica, which is for the trolls, enjoy. And we also get, oh, that's pretty cool, you get 2 batteries, as you can see just there. And I'm going to guess that's for the remote control, which is just here. And I think everything else is pretty much the instruction booklet. Yeah, we're not going to use that, are we? Let's be honest. And that's it. So we'll get all this off to the side and have a look at the main unit. Alright, so here it is. There's the remote control. It's pretty straightforward. It's got your power button. I'm going to guess that's to probably do the keystoning or something like that. That's my guess. And then it's got your OK Google or your Google search button. Obviously, you've got your D-pad. Select. You've got back. Probably your menu and stuff like that, and brightness, and home, and then volume up and down. So yeah, pretty straightforward remote control, but it looks pretty nice. Very ergonomic with a little kind of angular thing at the back, so when you're holding it, actually feels pretty nice in your hand. So yeah, stick it off there, and here it is, the star of the show, the MoGo 2 Pro. I got to admit, it's a little bit smaller than I expected now. I knew it was going to be pretty small, but damn, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Huh? So you've got your main sensor just popping out there. You've got your auto keystone, you can just see that there. So it's got auto keystone in it, which is pretty damn cool. And then I'm guessing some other kind of sensors there. Honestly, not too sure what they are. On the bottom of it, you've got your standard thread, so you can put it on any kind of stand, maybe some kind of tripod or just like a light stand or whatever you might want to get. You just get something like that, stick it on. Job done, eh? Pretty cool. On the back of it, we've got the speaker from what I can see there. That looks pretty cool. We've then got the Type-C where you actually plug it in. You've got a USB, HDMI and a headphone port as well. So if you don't want to be using an actual speaker, you can plug it in, or maybe plug it into some kind of sound bar or surround sound system. That's pretty cool unless it's HDMI, but yeah, pretty damn cool. And at the top, just obviously tells you it's the smart projector. On the top of it, you've just got the logo. We've got a bit of plastic. Let's take that off. Wow, I love that sound. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to guess that's probably the power button. We've got the logo there. And that's probably about it. Yeah. I'm guessing just probably ventilation here at the back. And his speakers probably come around here. That's pretty damn cool, isn't it? Huh? So yeah, what I'm going to do is just tell you some of the main specifications about the actual device. You know what, I'm going to put them in a list down here if any I kind of miss off there. So in terms of the actual power output for this, in terms of what's called lumens, so ISO lumens, this does 400, which for the size of it, is pretty damn good. It's also got D65 colour temperature, which, not to bore you, is basically standard adopted across Hollywood, so it's pretty easy to understand. And also 90% was called DCI P3, the colour gamut. Again, you're not going to get too technical into it. It just means that it's got pretty damn colours. As I said, it's got the two 8-watt speakers inside it, which apparently got Dolby Audio. I'll have to test that because it's pretty small. We'll have to see what that's like. It's also got the auto keystoning, I think the class it has. I think they call it the ISA 2.0 technology, which basically means if you move it, it doesn't stop playing. It doesn't kind of like, oh no, it carries on playing and it automatically adjusts itself, which sounds pretty freaking cool if you ask me. As I said before, it's got Android TV built into it, which I think it's Android 11 TV, and it also does 3D, which I wasn't expecting a mini project like this to actually do, but yeah, it does 3D content as well. Now, so the one little downside of it, it doesn't have a built-in battery, but the cool thing is that because it's a Type-C, all you need to do is plug in a power bank, Type-C to Type-C, boom, you can then use it when you're out and about, camping, in the back garden, basically anywhere you can put the power bank, you can take this, boom, job done, and away you go. Huh? Oh, and before I forget, there's actually a Prime deal on this one today. The link's down below, so if you want to go check this one out, and yeah, enjoy. Anyway, finish the video, Sam. Now that's about it for the unboxing. I am going to do a full video showing you what it looks like on my wall. Now, I've not got a screen at the moment, so I'm trying to actually source a screen. So by the time the review comes out, hopefully I've got a screen. If not, I'm going to use my roof because my roof's pure white. All right. Anyway, do you have any questions with regards to this or anything else? Because if you do, you know what to do. You can hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Go on, smash, smash, smash. And while you're there, subscribe. Why? Because it's free and I've not been around for a while. So yeah, glad to be back. Anyway, people, once again, thanks for watching, and you'll see me. Well, you might not see me, but you'll definitely hear me. But you'll see these puppies in my next one. Cheers, everyone.